In the last lesson, we learned about parallelograms and how to find the area of them. Remember that the area of a parallelogram is base times height. So this week, we're going to learn about triangles and how to find their area. Now, if we look at this triangle right here up top, and we draw its counterpart, you'll notice that it's a parallelogram. And we know that the area of a parallelogram is base times height. So if we want to find the area of a triangle, which is half of the parallelogram, all we do is we find 1/2 of it, or 1/2 times base times height. Let's try one. In this triangle, we see that the base is 4, and the height is 6. So now all we do is we plug in our values. So we have area equals 1/2 4 times 6. Now you can either do this as 1/2 times 4 first and get 2 times 6, which is 12. Or you can do 4 times 6 first, which is 24, and then find 1/2 of that. Either way, you're going to get the same answer because remember, when you're using multiplication, the order doesn't matter. Let's try finding the area of this house. So, as you can see, we have two main shapes. We have a rectangle down here, and we have a triangle up here, which means we're going to need two formulas. So, our area for our rectangle is base times height, and our area for our triangle is 1/2 base times height. First, the area of the rectangle right here is going to be 16 times 10, because 16 is our base and 10 is our height. 16 times 10 gives us 160. And now for the triangle, we have 1/2 our base, which is the same as the rectangle. So 16 times the height, which it tells you is 9. And 1/2 times 16 gives you 8 times 9, which gives you 72. So now we have the area for our triangle and the area for our square, and all we do is we add them up. 160 plus 72 gives... Lastly, we're going to find the area of trapezoids. A diagonal divides a trapezoid into two triangles, as you can see in the picture. Notice that the triangles have the same height. So, here's triangle 1 and here's triangle 2. And the height on both sides is the same. All we have to do is find the area of both triangles and add them together. Let's try one out together. We're going to find the area of the trapezoid below. Remember that the area of trapezoid is the area of a triangle, 1, plus the area of triangle 2. And when you're looking at your trapezoid, it doesn't matter which triangle is triangle 1 and which triangle is triangle 2. And what's the formula for an area of a triangle? That's right. Area equals 1/2 base times height. So let's look at triangle 1 first. Our base for triangle 1 is 6. And our height is 4. So our formula is 1/2 6 times 4, which is equal to 12. Now let's do the area of triangle 2. We have our base of 9, and our height is the same for both sides, so our height is 4. So our formula is 1/2 9 times 4, which is equal to 18. Now all we have to do is add 12 plus 18, and that gives us 30. For practice tonight, try these on your own. You got this.